Next section is 2.6 rational numbers between two rational numbers. There are countless rational numbers between any two rational numbers. For example, negative 3 by 4 and positive 7 by 4. Taking the number line, the center value is 0 by 4. In right hand side, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. In left hand side, negative 1 by 4, negative 2 by 4, negative 3 by 4. Find the between two rational numbers. Here the first value is negative 3 by 4. The another rational number is 7 by 4. In between these two rational numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 rational numbers between these two numbers, negative 3 by 4 and negative 4 by 7 by 4. Here the denominator is same. So you can find easily this method. The next example, find the rational numbers between negative 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. Solution, negative 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. First check the denominator. Denominator is different. So using this method, some formula. Here the formula is half into first rational number plus second rational number. This is the formula. Half into first rational number plus second rational number. Here the value is, now you can check the denominator. Here the denominator is 3 into 5, 15. So you can multiply, common factors 5, negative 5. Here 3, 6 plus 6 is equal to, now 1 by 2 into 1 by 15. Now you can multiply the numerator value 1. Now you can multiply the denominator value 2 into 15 is 30. The answer is the fraction. The rational number is 1 by 30. Next example, find three rational numbers between negative 2 and negative 1. Solution. Here using the second method. Okay, first a rational number between negative 2 and negative 1 is equal to half into negative 2 is the integer number, convert to rational number, negative 2 by 1 plus negative 1 is also integer number, converted to rational number, negative 1 by 1. Half into, here the LCM is 1, negative 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into negative 3 by 1. The answer is negative 3 by 2. This is the first rational number. The next, find rational numbers between negative 2 and new rational numbers. New rational number is negative 3 by 2. Now you can, using the same method, half into negative 2 by 1 plus negative 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into the LCM is 2. The numerator is taking the common factors 2. Negative 4 minus 3, 7 by 4 is the answer. A rational number, the third one, finding a rational number between negative 2 and the second finding rational number is negative 7 by 4 is equal to, using the same formula, half into negative 2 by 1 plus negative 7 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into the denominator is 4. Multiplying common factors, negative 8 minus negative 7 is equal to 1 by 2 into 8, 7, negative 15 by 4. Now you can multiply the numerator value, negative 15, the denominator value 2 into 4, 8. The three fractions are, the three rational numbers are, therefore the 3 rational numbers. Numbers is equal to negative 3 by 2, negative 7 by 4, negative 15 by 8. Exercise 2.3 homework sum. Find a rational number between the following 2 and 3. The second one is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. The third one is negative 3 by 8, comma 5 by 8. Using the second method. In this question, using second method. Next, second question, homework sum. Find 3 rational numbers between the following 2 and 3. Second one, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Third question, also homework. Find 7 rational numbers between the following negative 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Second one, negative 1 by 13 and 9 by 13. Fourth and fifth sum also homework. The second chapter over.